Compute the volume of tetrahedron with vector A is equal to bracket 7 minus 1 5 bracket over vector B is equal to bracket start minus 3 1 0 and vector C is equal to 3 minus 1 2 are its coterminal edges. Solution. We know that volume of tetrahedron is equal to 1 upon 6 a vector b vector c vector is equal to 1 upon 6 a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3 is equal to 1 upon 6 7 minus 1 5 minus 3 1 0 3 minus 1 2 is equal to 1 upon 6 7 2 minus 0 plus minus 1 minus 6 minus 0 is equal to 5 3 minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 6 7 into 2 plus 1 into 6 plus 5 into 0 is equal to 1 upon 6 14 plus 6 plus 0 is equal to 1 upon 6 multiplied 20 is equal to 20 upon 6 is equal to 3.3 cubic unit. That's all.